might already know this, and that's the reason you are in this video. There's been a devastating data breach that is being used by hackers to trace people's account in Genshin Impact. So I will link the Reddit discussion and also the YouTube video of the said hacking. But here in this video I want to mention how to keep safe your account, because here's the way they do it. The data breach is a collection of emails that have been breached. The password and the email is listed and not secure anymore. So what you gotta do is you install a password manager. Could be any of this. I haven't tried yet, but I use this one. So the trick is using a password manager means that you don't have to memorize such password. It means on each account you can create different password with double the security, because with the data breach it means that your memorized password is already known to the whole world. How to check? You can check the Google "Have I been pwned?" and it will list if your email is already being breached. But regardless of that, just do a double security like this. So you open it, and whatever password you memorize, such like this, and a very easy one, 1 to 8, then you put it on the password safe, which is the password you are using to log into these apps. But the hard part, like memorizing the password, the unique password, you don't have to use it. You just use these apps and just say Genshin 3, then your username is, let's say it's bloke, and this is where the easy part comes in. You generate the password you want. This, you copy the password. Okay, you save it. Okay, it's every time you need the password, you just go here, look at it, and then copy the said password. Okay, now let's go to the Genshin Impact program. So imagine if you're already binding your account to Twitter, to Facebook, to Google. It does help in a way where if the password is breached and somebody is messing with your account, of course you can use different credentials to get into the said account. But that's the whole thing. It's just another credential. It doesn't really help you to secure it. To secure it, you need to go to this game. You change the password from the one that is easy and you memorize, change it to this intricate password that is generated by the apps. The way you do it is you go into the account, you play the game, and don't worry about the UID or the email. Like you can see, I don't have Chrome showing my UID and everything else, because it's not hackable just by that information. You have to get the password too, and it's not easy brute forcing these passwords. Okay, so go to the settings, account, user center, and link your account to an email. Suppose the email like this, and you will be sent code which you have to retrieve in the email later. Okay, you're done with that. Use the password that you have copy paste here. Paste 1, paste 2, and done. Yeah, suppose you have already had the verification code here. Okay, so that's the way you do it, and it's supposed to be quite secure after this. Okay, that's all. Hope you enjoyed, and goodbye.